completely unrelated. BecomeSailAway.com. We're going to be having a cruise through history coming up here in a few months, where we're going to be taking a cruise which ends up in Israel and has a special event with historical tours throughout Israel, including Rabbi Daniel Lapin, who will be joining us to help give the historical perspective.
He's not Jewish, is he?
I doubt it. Why would you say that? Rabbi Daniel Lapin sounds American to me.
If I selected a Jew to be on this thing to give a tour of Israel, holy cow, that was a mistake.
It's unbelievable. It's the same old nonsense.
Yeah, it is. And nobody cares.
Yeah.
Stand with us, spooky dude. We have returned. All right, making decisions is really hard, especially decisions that require you to spend money. The old, look at that, he's talking about spending money, and we know that's a Jewish trope. The old saying goes, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of care. Well, yes, there's no premium you can put on peace of mind, but if you just look and just invest just a little, and not a lot, you can take some of the worries away from your life. Simply Safe. Simply Safe will take that worry about someone break into my house, someone gonna steal my stuff, are we safe? And this is for your house or your apartment, because you own the system, and it's really affordable. Especially now, you'll get 25% off any new system, plus a free HD security camera with Simply Safe. You're gonna get everything you need to keep your home safe. Entry sensors, motion sensors, smart lock, video doorbells, security cameras, all of it. Simply Safe offers the 24 professional monitoring with police dispatch that is 3.5 times faster on average than all other security systems. So, if you've been waiting or you're on the fence about getting home security, don't wait. This is not going to last long. This is the biggest offer I've seen them ever do. It is 25% off the system of your choice plus a free security camera. Best deal you'll find on home security, bar none. Order now, get that exclusive offer. 25% off, free security camera at simplysafeback.com. That's simplysafeback.com. 10 seconds, station ID. Radio 920 and 10.
And he writes in it.